Hey Maya, you look incredibly happy today. Did something good happen?
Hi, Tuna. Honestly, I'm just happy because it's finally Friday. I've had such a busy week, and I really need a break.
I totally understand. This week felt so long. Do you have any special plans for the next 2 days?
Not really. I just want to relax and maybe read a book. What about you? Are you going out?
I might go to the beach if the weather is nice. I need some fresh air.
That sounds amazing. Talking about plans makes me think of our listening today.
Exactly. We have a conversation between two friends, Jake and Emma, talking about what they did last weekend.
Let's listen to today's conversation and see what happens.
Hey, Emma. I haven't seen you since Friday. How was your weekend?
Oh, hi, Jake. It was actually really great. I went hiking with my sister on Saturday morning. The scenery was beautiful, but I was exhausted by the end of the day.
Wow, you're so energetic. I could never do that. I prefer to sleep in on Saturdays.
I usually sleep in too, but the weather was perfect. So, what did you do? Did you just stay home?
Yeah, mostly. It was a pretty lazy weekend. I just wanted to chill out. I watched a whole season of that new comedy series on Netflix.
Oh, I heard about that. Is it good?
It's hilarious. I definitely recommend it. But honestly, staying inside for 2 days was a bit boring. I want to do something fun this weekend.
Well, do you want to hang out this Saturday? We could grab a coffee downtown and maybe see a movie?
That sounds perfect. I really need to catch up with you anyway. I have so much news to tell you.
Great. Let's meet at noon. I know a cozy cafe near the cinema.
Awesome. I'm looking forward to it.
Wow, Emma is definitely an active person. She went hiking on a Saturday morning.
I know, hiking is such a healthy activity. Walking long distances in nature, mountains. Emma said she loved the scenery.
Right, the scenery means the natural view, like the trees, the sky, and the hills. But because of the exercise, she was exhausted.
Exhausted is a great word for B1 learners. It means very, very tired. Honestly, I feel exhausted just thinking about hiking. Emma is very energetic.
She is. Energetic means having a lot of energy or being active. Jake is the opposite, though. He prefers to sleep in.
Oh, I love to sleep in. It means to sleep later than usual in the morning, intentionally. It's the best part of the weekend. Jake just wanted to chill out.
Yeah, to chill out is a very common slang phrase. It just means to relax completely and do nothing stressful. But he did watch a series and he said he would recommend it.
When you recommend something, you tell someone that it is good and they should try it. Since Jake was bored of staying home, they decided to hang out.
Hang out is the most natural way to say spend time together socially. And where are they going? Downtown.
Downtown refers to the city center, where all the shops and restaurants are. They plan to grab a coffee there.
Grab is such a useful verb. To grab a coffee or grab lunch means to get it quickly or casually. Emma knows a place that is cozy.
I love cozy places. It describes a feeling of being warm, comfortable, and relaxed, like a small cafe with soft chairs.
Sounds perfect. And finally, Jake said he needs to catch up with Emma.
Yes, to catch up means to talk to a friend you haven't seen for a while, to update each other on your news.
Speaking of which, we should catch up properly after this episode, Maya.
And that's it for today's episode. Talking about your weekend is the #1 topic for small talk in English.
Yes. So try to use words like sleep in, hang out, or exhausted next time you talk to a friend.
If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to download the transcript and exercises in the description below. See you next time.